Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got the new iPhone Air or are planning to get one, today's video is for you. We're diving into the best iPhone Air cases of 2025, covering everything from slim and stylish designs to military-grade protection and MagSafe compatibility. I'll walk you through each case's features, durability, and functionality, so you can choose the one that fits your lifestyle perfectly. First up is the ESR case for iPhone Air. This case is completely clear, allowing you to show off your phone's original design while keeping it safe. It is shockproof and meets military-grade protection standards, providing excellent defense against accidental drops. The ESR case is also MagSafe compatible, which means you can wirelessly charge your phone and attach magnetic accessories without removing the case. Its minimalistic design makes it perfect for those who want reliable protection without adding bulk to their device. Next, we have the Eastinbox iPhone Air case. This case emphasizes durability and ruggedness, offering 16-foot military-grade drop protection. Its frosted matte finish is non-slip, anti-scratch, and helps prevent fingerprints, keeping your phone looking clean. Despite its strong protective features, the case remains slim and lightweight, ensuring your iPhone feels comfortable in your hand or pocket. This makes it an ideal option for daily use, especially if you're often on the go or work in environments where drops are more likely. The CASEKOO case is up next, bringing a functional twist with its magnetic, invisible stand. This feature allows you to prop your iPhone up in both portrait and landscape modes, making it perfect for watching videos, joining video calls, or following recipes. In addition to the stand, the CASEKOO case also provides military-grade drop protection and is fully compatible with MagSafe accessories. Its translucent matte design is premium-looking while keeping the device lightweight, offering a great balance of protection, style, and practicality. Following that is the SUPFINE magnetic case, which is slim, shockproof, and provides military-grade drop protection. Its translucent matte back allows the iPhone's design to show through while resisting fingerprints and smudges. Like the other cases, it is MagSafe compatible, making wireless charging and accessory attachment effortless. This case is ideal for anyone who wants a clean, functional design with reliable protection without adding bulk to their device. Lastly, the NIMASO iPhone Air case is ultra-thin, yet still offers shockproof and military-grade protection. Its translucent matte back preserves the phone's original design while providing a secure grip. MagSafe compatibility ensures seamless wireless charging and accessory use. The NIMASO case is a versatile choice for those who want a slim case that doesn't compromise on safety or usability, making it a well-rounded option for everyday use. And that wraps up our review of the best iPhone Air cases in 2025. Whether you prefer clear minimalism, rugged durability, or functional stands, there's a case here for every type of user. I've added links in the description if you want to check out any of these cases for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.